everyone, welcome to my channel at Explore Arts. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful frame. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First I am taking a cardboard sheet which measures 25 by 20 centimeter. On this I am making a border of 1.5 centimeter. It looks something like this. Now I am cutting this border with the help of paper cutter. Now I am taking a white paper sheet which measures 4.5 by 24 centimeter, connecting it with the border with the help of white glue. Similarly, I am covering other sides of it. After covering it, it looks like this. Now, I am taking another cardboard sheet which measures 25 by 20 centimeter. I am using here shoe boxes cardboard, so I am covering the printed side of it. If you are using simple cardboard, you can paste the white sheet on any side. Now I am using watercolor. Firstly I am applying water on the base, then I randomly sprinkle the watercolor. It gives the colorful look. Now wait for some time till it completely dry. After dry, it look like this. Now I am connecting the border on the base with the help of liquid glue. Now I am taking a white sheet which measures 18 by 13 centimeter and connecting on the center of the base. Now I am taking this picture which I have created earlier. It measures 16 by 11 centimeter and I am connecting this with the help of liquid glue. Now this beautiful frame is ready. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video.